The era of high power cutting. Are you also facing these challenges? Unstable cutting quality, frequent machine downtime, complex maintenance, and high costs? These uncertainties in production are gradually eating away at your profits. Introducing the all-new P30 PRO high-power laser cutting head, engineered for stable, high-power cutting. Stable cutting is the true efficiency. The P30 PRO cutting head optimizes beam quality and stabilizes airflow structure, delivering smoother cut surfaces while reducing dross and rework. High power isn't just about being stronger, it must also be more stable. Through rigorous high-temperature testing and electrical optimization, it ensures stable and reliable performance, even during long-duration operation. An accidental collision no longer means costly downtime. With a quick-change anti-collision design, on-site recovery is fast. Production resumes in just 5 to 10 minutes. Maintenance shouldn't be a burden. A fully sealed structure effectively prevents lens contamination. The modular lens assembly design avoids secondary contamination, reduces maintenance frequency, and lowers operating costs. Stability isn't claimed. It's forged through continuous testing and refinement. From optics and electronics to overall machine performance, rigorous multi-dimensional testing ensures every cut is one you can trust. P30 PRO engineered for stability, built for efficiency. It's not just another cutting head, it's the guardian of your workshop, keeping production running day and night with stable output.